The last hurrah, we would bring the Freedom to one of our favorite places, Flamingo Park. It's not very far from our house, it's less than 30 miles. It's a really cool place, and we thought we'd have a lot of quiet time, get over this breakup. Welcome to Flamingo Lake RV Resort. This is the last hurrah with the Freedom. I don't know what kind of tree this is behind me, some kind of palm tree, but it's pretty cool. And this is right on our campsite, 145 at Flamingo Lake. Now Flamingo Lake is owned by Sun RV Resort, and they have resorts just like this one all over the place. We have some pretty cool trails to walk along the lake. And over here they have a clubhouse, and in the back is a huge stage where they have bands perform. Pretty cool. They have these chairs sporadically around the lake you can come sit and chill out on. But are you sad about the Freedom? This is the last time you'll see her. Are you sad? Will you miss her?
Yeah. Sure.
Are you ready? Ready to move on?
I'm excited.
You're excited for the move?
Yeah.
The change?
Yeah.
Flamingo Park, it's definitely quiet in the morning, but by afternoon, there's people crawling all over the place. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
She agrees. She's not a morning person. But I tell her, even in the morning we can talk and have our therapy session, because we still need therapy. She's been very grumpy on this trip. Very grumpy. Just like really moody. I think it's because she's sad about losing the Freedom. Not losing her, but giving her up. You know? It's a big life change. There are RV campers everywhere. This place is full. everywhere. Hey, buddy.
Hey,
What are you doing?
I'm just launching out.
Are you gonna miss the freedom?
Of what?
The freedom.
Of freedom of what?
That camper is called the Freedom.
No.
Are you gonna miss her?
I'll like. Yeah. Like.
Are you gonna miss her?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Did you have fun in her?
Yeah.
You had a lot of good times in her? Are you sad? No? Freedom's been good to us. We've had many fun adventures, and we're gonna miss her. But it is time to move on. The Freedom will move on as well, and she'll meet all kinds of new friends, I'm sure, and go on her adventures of her own. So maybe we'll meet again, maybe not, but we'll know the love that we have for each other is genuine. We're going smaller, and we're going farther than we've ever been before. Why don't you come along? Subscribe now.